Fizzies!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage, the best of all the jesters in the Robo Bit Parade!
Thank you, you're all too kind.
Oh, Christ on a fucking stick, really?
Now hey there, old chum, what's got you looking glum? Is it cause I've gotten everything you ain't?
Fuck you.
Top billing Aussies worth a mammon, but if I should examine your affairs, well it frankly ain't that great.
Whatever, sell
You
out.
think I'm selling out, cause all I know I'm selling out are shows that give me all the adoration I demand. It isn't like the circus, cause now I have a purpose, while you're left reaching out for something you can't even understand.
Ooh, little Blitzy, what a grim, pathetic face. I guess that I can't blame you and your life is a disgrace.
Come one, come all, it's the Viscerally Ball, where the creatures of the dark gather answering the call of a show that knocks the baddest and the meanest off their feet. Whether in below the lust, I'm gonna give you all a treat. Rebuild, reborn from the fires of the scorn. Now don't let the scars define me, they're the badges I adorn. What we had is dead and buried, I don't let it keep me down, cause now I am the ringleader, and you're the clown.
Yeah, a ringleader of sex dolls that look like you narcissistic fuck. At least I'm not a...
The pitiable explaining, don't want to hear complaining, the feeble shit excuses of a fraud. You had to part to save your face, burn whatever you've been graced with, and anything that's good you just ignore.
Shut up!
I don't hide what I am, I know exactly who I am. I am an entertainer who's above where he began. No longer in the circus, the Lord has gave me purpose, and with him I have got the only thing you'll never understand.
Might have been your pal, Blitz, might have been your friend, but you know how that saying goes, all good things gotta end.
Come one, come all, it's the Viscerally Ball, where the creatures of the dark gather answering the call of a show that's gonna make the masses sing and shriek and shout. They'll hang on to every fucking word, there's never any doubt. Rebuild, reborn from the fires of the scorn. Now don't let the scars define me, they're the badges I adore. In Asmodeus' house I found a place to call my own, and that makes me the ringleader when you're alone. And don't just take my word for it, Blitzo.
My Fizzy's had it rough, and not from how I play. Are you really that surprised that he wished that all away?
But that
what you
wasn't-
were to each other, now that's buried in the past. Do you protest after humiliating yourself? That's a good laugh. Are you jealous or just don't get what we got? Do you hate that he's now one of mine and always hits the spot?
Yes, I
A
do.
powerhouse of stardom, always down to have some fun. Not ashamed of what he means to me while all you do is run.
So call me overrated and keep that whiny tone, but it don't matter what you do.